The case is closed. The verdict looks final, but one detail never fits the file. At first, nobody notices because the timeline feels neat, but a blank line in the record keeps showing up, and it should not be empty. That missing entry sends investigators back to the original notes. The old explanation still sounds strong, but the gap starts shouting louder than the verdict. The moment they reopen that section, the room changes. Every page they touch points to the same night, and now the official story has to answer for what it left out. Then they find the first contradiction. The missing detail lands on a time nobody preserved properly, which means the clean verdict was built on a shaky clock. Now the case feels different, because the overlook wasn't small. If that line is wrong, the next piece falls too, and the whole chain starts bending. People push back hard. Nobody wants to reopen an ending everyone already accepted, because that means admitting the first answer may have been convenient. Not true. But the more they test it, the weaker the old story gets. A separate report, a different log, and now the same detail appears in 3 places that should have matched before. That is the moment the case tips. The overlooked clue isn't just missing. It points straight at the part of the timeline nobody wanted reopened. When investigators fold it back into the sequence, the original ending starts cracking. The verdict still exists on paper, but it no longer holds up against the rest of the evidence. So the real question changes. It is not whether the case was closed. It is who benefited while that one detail stayed buried. That is how a closed case reopens. One small omission can lock the wrong ending in place for years. Follow for the next breakdown.